Okay, today I'm going to be working on this Browning Japan knife. I bought this in a knife lot recently and ended up being a broken tip on it. It's got some wobble and it's also missing a blade. So I've got an idea. Let's get her done. She is making some noise out here. Success, we got her done. So it's not perfect, but it's a one blade now. I got the tip straightened out here and sharpened it up, put a scratch pattern on there, and you can still see some scratches on, you know, going this way from before and all. But I wasn't going to spend a whole lot of time on this knife. Just a little bit, and just took out the pieces for the other blade and slapped it together. Like taking a double quarter pounder and making it a quarter pounder. And do a little polishing and just cleaned it up a little bit while I had it apart. And when I repinned it, these back ones really are hiding pretty good back there. Now the front ones, not so much. I was able to really tap these back ones in good, but the front one, you just got to be careful you don't beat it too tight where it doesn't want to open and close properly. We got rid of that wobble that was in the blade. And she's got some snap. Not bad. I think I'm gonna retire my Parker for a little while. And I got a new box opener. Speaking of that, I got a care package that came in today. I'm gonna open up here shortly. Well, if y'all want to see more videos like this or unboxings of knife auctions, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you got any comments or anything, just drop them below. Appreciate it. Y'all have a great day today.